In this video, I'm going to go over how to properly clean your JURA Espresso machine. Now this is applicable to even some of the old Impresas, S7s, E6s, E8s. They're all basically about the same. You're going to get a clean machine warning in red across your screen, and I'll go over how to properly do that. And here is what the warning looks like up close. First thing we need to do, push the button next to the red water indicator. And that's pretty much telling the machine that you're going to be cleaning it. And now you can go ahead and hit the start. Go ahead and hit next. And now it's going to ask that you empty the coffee ground container. That emptied, go ahead and reinstall. And now we're going to hit next. Now you're going to have to stand here for about 20 minutes while it goes through its cleaning cycles, and you're going to have to be emptying the water a couple times. It goes through a couple rinse cycles. It's going to say add cleaning tablet. And the cleaning tablet looks like this. It's kind of a little red ball, and it's made by JURA. Now, hopefully no one thinks that they're going to put vinegar in their machine. You must use these JURA tablets. Do not use vinegar or any other cleaning agent in your JURA Espresso machine. We're going to pop one of these out and put it in that back container. You're just going to go ahead and flip up this lid. Go ahead and close it and hit next. Now water is going to flow out of these spouts several different occasions. There might be a couple times where you think it's done, but you can watch the indicator bar. So this is going to fill up with water. We're probably going to have to dump it a couple times. And the indicator bar will go all the way across. And once it's done, we're ready to go. Just make sure you don't put a cup under here and walk away, because it will overflow with water. After about 7 or 8 minutes, you can see that the progress bar is about halfway done. Now once the machine is done with its clean cycles, it's going to ask you to empty the coffee grounds container again. When you pull out your coffee ground container this time, be very careful because it will be filled with a lot of water. Once it's completely emptied out, go ahead and reinsert. Now your cleaning cycle is complete, and you'll notice that the water indicator is now back to white and the red is all gone. Now that your machine is clean, it's ready for about another 200 brew cycles before you're going to have to go through this again. I'll put a link in the description to get those cleaning tablets off Amazon. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.